Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of British Pound Japanese Yen, GBP JPY in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart unlike the previous videos. So things are a little bit complicated, but do not worry, I'll be explaining them one by one. So let's get started. So first and foremost, I would like to talk about these two levels. Okay, first and foremost, these two lines are important. So if you do not have these lines in your trading platform, then I'll request you, my dear friend, that you must draw these lines so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. Okay. So first and foremost, you can see that if we look at the chart here, then there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend, which means that number of sellers are high in comparison to number of buyers. This market has the influence of sellers. Clear? So whenever you can see that whenever market was going up, it was coming down, and when market was going up, it was unable to cross the previous high, which means that market was forming lower highs here, and we get a lower highs in a downtrend market. So you can see that market was unable to cross the previous high and market was making series of lower highs. And on the other hand, we have a support line also. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that this level, okay, this resistance is much more stronger in comparison to this dynamic trend line. Okay, because this is a dynamic resistance, this is the dynamic resistance of the market, and this is the dynamic support of the market. But this level is much more stronger in comparison to the, so this level is much more weaker in comparison to this particular level here. Okay, so if you want to remove this line, then you can also remove this line, because this line is important, this line not. So you have understood the importance of this trend line, and as we all know, we can short the market at the trend line if market reverse, because you can see that whenever market was going up, it was unable to cross the resistance, and as a result market fell. But here right now you can see that market has crossed the resistance, and right now market is trading above the resistance, and this happened because of presence of buyers in the market. Try to understand my words carefully. Whenever market is going down, you can see that there was sharp recovery in the market, and this thing happens generally whenever there are buyers present in the market, and buyers are very much serious. They did not allow the market to go down. As a result, we were seeing sharp recovery in the market. Okay. And this was the main indication of presence of buyers. Okay. And you can see that I have got one more line here on the chart. This level is 149.66. This level is the most important level in the chart of GBP JPY right now, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of pound Japanese yen, and if I remove the drawings, you can see that market was in downtrend, and when market faced severe selling pressure previous week, okay, it took support and bounced again, and last week it formed a pin bar kind of a pattern with huge price rejection from below. So if we just look at the candle here, then this was a clear indication to us that market has buyers in it. Okay, though the market seemed to be under the influence of sellers, but we cannot deny the presence of buyers on the market, and therefore shorting this market will be quite risky. Clear? Okay, and we can see that previously also, whenever market was going down, this level was providing support to the market. Therefore there is no doubt that 149.66 is a strong support for the chart of GBP JPY. Okay, therefore in case market comes down to this particular level here, then you can go for buy. Okay, you can easily go for buy here, because this level is extremely important for the market. Okay. And in case you short the market also, this will be your take profit target. Okay. So what should be a strategy now? You can see that market is trading here, okay, trading in this range here. Therefore, we are not sure whether market will go up or go down right now, because if you just concentrate or focus on these candles right now, or if I just ask you to focus on these candles, then what do you think? We can easily see that there is no trend in the market right now. Overall trend may be towards the downside. Okay. There may be some buyers present in the market who are recovering the market. Okay. No doubt about it. Maybe we have a strong support level, but if we just concentrate or focus on this particular level of the chart, the present condition, then we do not get any clear idea whether the market will go up or down, because the market is flat here. You can easily see that market is flat here. Therefore, what you need to do is that you just draw lines here. Okay. 152.65 on the upside and 151.35 on the downside. Okay, and just wait for the market to give you a proper signal here. If market crosses this level on the upside, and if you see that after crossing this level, wait for 4 to 6 hours, okay, and just observe the price, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above 152.65 level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, you can go for buy. Okay. On the other hand, if you see price slipping, if you see price coming down, still don't do anything until and unless it crosses this level. If you find market crossing this support level, 151.35 level, then again wait for 4 hours and just observe the market, observe the price. If you see that after 4 hours price is still trading below this level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, sellers are back to the game again. Sellers have joined the party again, and they are selling, and you can short the market again. But keep in mind that your take profit target will be this, the support from the weekly chart. So right now this is your no trading zone. This is a no trading zone because market is flat right now. You do not have any clear idea whether market will go up or down. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashjarika.com. If you go to the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 74% retail traders have taken short position and 25% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 74% traders are thinking that market will go down and only 25% traders are thinking that market will go up. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So trade wisely, my dear friend. Trade with proper analysis. Do not trade blindly. Okay. So wait for the perfect opportunity. Wait for the market to either cross this level or this level, then only execute the order. Till then, just observe the market, observe the price, and trade wisely. Okay. So this is your no trading zone right now because I have clearly shown you market is flat. You can also see that there is no trend in the market right now. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.